But what exactly happens to your body when you're in a coma? First, we have to be clear that comas are very different from sleep, despite the fact that the origin of the word comes from the Greek for coma or deep sleep. Comas are not sleep, however, and are instead various forms of unconsciousness that render a person unable to respond to any external stimuli. You can play the loudest, heaviest death metal in the world right next to someone who's comatose, and you won't succeed in doing anything except really annoying the neighbors. Likewise, you can even physically hurt people in a coma, and they will remain completely oblivious and unresponsive. In times in the not-too-distant past, this was sometimes used as treatment, with doctors trying to shock their victims back into consciousness. Everything was tried, from exposing parts of the body to open flames, to severely dropping the body's temperature with ice, to even bloodletting from the head directly. One treatment even included wholly emptying the stomach. We guess because the doctors thought that if a patient got hungry enough, the body would force them to wake up. Or maybe they really were just throwing everything, including the kitchen sink, at the problem, which we're sure was also tried.
The influence of social media on public opinion is both profound and unprecedented. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook have transformed the landscape of communication, becoming the modern-day town squares where opinions are formed and voiced. First, social media breaks down barriers to information dissemination. It allows for the rapid spread of information, enabling anyone with an internet connection to stay updated on global events. This democratization of information empowers individuals, but it also requires a critical eye to navigate the vast sea of content and distinguish between fact and fiction. Second, social media has a unique power to mobilize. It can unite individuals around causes, as seen in movements like #MeToo, which gained momentum through viral social media campaigns, highlighting issues that may otherwise receive limited attention in traditional media outlets. As we engage with social media, let's be mindful of its power to shape our perceptions and the importance of fostering
In today's lecture, I would like to explore the interconnection between ecology and economics through the lens of ocean conservation. The health of our oceans is not just an ecological concern, it is intrinsically linked to the economic stability of communities worldwide. Sustainable fishing practices ensure the longevity of marine life, which in turn supports the livelihoods of millions who rely on the sea's bounty. Moreover, marine ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating our climate. By protecting our oceans, we are investing in natural capital that offers returns in the form of climate resilience, which is essential for economic planning and development. As we venture into our various fields of study, let us remember that the principles of conservation and economics are not adversaries but allies. It is in this synergy that solutions for a prosperous and sustainable future lie.
In this presentation, I am excited to share with you the surprising benefits of dark chocolate on health. Often considered a guilty pleasure, dark chocolate, in reality, offers a variety of health advantages when consumed in moderation. Dark chocolate, rich in cocoa, is packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids. These compounds are known for their role in reducing heart disease risk by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of small amounts of dark chocolate can benefit cardiovascular health. Moreover, dark chocolate also positively affects brain health. Research suggests that the flavonoids in dark chocolate may improve cognitive function, enhance mood, and even provide neuroprotective effects. This makes it not just a treat for the palate, but also for the mind. Dark chocolate is more than just a dessert. Its health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting brain function, make it a delightful addition to a balanced diet.
I'm going to explore the enduring influence of Greek mythology in modern culture. These ancient myths, more than just old tales, continue to shape our art, literature, and even our understanding of the world. Greek mythology, a rich tapestry of gods, heroes, and monsters, has been a source of inspiration for centuries. Its themes of heroism, adventure, and the human condition resonate deeply, influencing countless works of literature. For example, the epic tales of Hercules and Odysseus have been retold in numerous forms, from classical paintings to modern movies. Moreover, Greek mythology extends its influence beyond the arts. It has shaped modern language, with many English words and expressions originating from these ancient stories. Additionally, these myths have provided a framework for understanding human psychology, notably through the work of Freud and Jung,